Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can see the history of your comments on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also don't forget to put likes. So friends, let's get down to our topic. First of all, open YouTube on your phone. After that, at the bottom, tap where it says You. Next, at the top, click on the gear, and then the management of the entire story. Now go to Interactions at the top, and then from that list you'll need to select Comments and Replies. This will take you to your comment history. As you can see, I have very few, but if you're a frequent commenter on YouTube, then there will be a large list of your comments here. So they're organized: first new ones, then the older ones go down. And you can see your comment. You'll be able to go to the video that you left that comment on. You can also delete that comment if you want, if you click on the cross next to the video. And as you can see, the comment is deleted instantly. Friends, this is a very simple way to view your YouTube comment history. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, give your likes, and see you soon.